Did you know there's a bird that can become completely invisible in plain sight? The great potu is nature's ultimate master of disguise. These incredible birds can freeze like statues for over 12 hours straight, perfectly mimicking broken tree branches. They become so still that you could walk right past one and never know it was there. But here's where it gets crazy. During the day, they keep their massive night vision eyes almost completely closed. Yet they can still track your every movement through tiny slits in their eyelids while looking completely lifeless. When night falls, their mouths unhinge to an impossible width, nearly the size of their entire head, allowing them to swallow huge insects whole in one gulp. Their haunting calls echo through forests like ghostly spirits, creating local legends about supernatural beings lurking in the trees. The most mind-blowing fact? Entire families will freeze together on the same branch. Parents, chicks, and even grandparents create elaborate multi-bird illusions that can fool observers standing just feet away. Nature's ultimate disappearing act involves the whole family,